Hi everyone, Dr. Dave here with Synergy Wellness in New York. We have a patient here, Robert, who has had acid reflux for how long and GERD for how long?
For about 20 years.
For about 20 years. He's done antacids, he's done PPIs, anything else?
Yeah, no, that's about right. Plus also for gas treatment also sometimes.
For gas, like Gas X, things like that. So a lot of you are in that situation. We have treated him with the hiatal hernia maneuver twice. Today is our third treatment. He's been on the medication. We've had him wean off of the medication. He stopped taking the night medication. And how are you doing so far after 2 treatments?
Much better. I haven't had the need to take the night medication, and I have been good so far.
We're going to weed him off the morning PPIs, and he's going to continue to get better. For those of you that are afraid to get off the medication because of the explosion of acid reflux and GERD and the discomfort, no worries. This maneuver is very safe. In fact, it's safer than actually taking the medication, especially when you're going past 4 to 6 weeks. And he's been on this medication for about 18 to 20 years. 18 to 20 years. I'm going to show you how we pull the stomach down and correct his hiatal hernia. First, he has a really tight psoas muscle here. And the psoas, the importance of the psoas is, not only does he have scoliosis, bad posture, but the importance of the psoas is the upper fibers attached to the diaphragm, okay? And with any case of scoliosis, and you don't even have to have scoliosis to have a tight psoas muscle. Just have a job where you sit down all day, or flat feet, right? That'll create a tight psoas muscle, and this will restrict your ability of the diaphragm to go up and down. So right now I'm just releasing his psoas muscle, which is going to, again, the upper fibers are attached to the diaphragm. So now let's show you how we do the hiatal hernia maneuver. This is really effective, it's safe, it's simple. It's an osteopathic maneuver that's been used for decades. If you have any questions about the maneuver, about the science behind it, check out our website at refluxshield.com, and then you'll see the science behind this technique. So what we're going to do is going to come together, find the xiphoid process, and when you get the Reflux Shield, it shows you how to find your xiphoid process. There's directions there. And we're going to go ahead and apply pressure right below the xiphoid process, right below where the stomach herniates above the diaphragm. You cannot fix acid reflux and GERD, which is a mechanical problem. You can't fix it with medication. That's just not going to work, and it's not safe. This is the safest, most effective treatment with over 85% success rate. So we're going to go ahead and apply pressure and scoop that stomach out. Let me know when I get to a 5 out of 10 pressure. And we do 3 to 5 repetitions, and you can do it up to twice a day. When the symptoms subside 50%, we then tell you to go ahead and reduce it to once a day. Again, 3 to 5 repetitions, twice a day, and then down to once a day, and then eventually you'll just use it as needed. And again, finally take your life back and get off the medication. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.